If you're watching this video, you've already heard our AI handle real calls and conversations. You've heard how it speaks naturally with homeowners, asks the right questions, and calmly guides the conversation forward. And if you haven't listened to the demo yet, pause this video and go to rizemarket.co to hear it in action first. Because this video is not about whether the AI sounds good. You've already seen that. This video is about clarity. By the end of this, you'll understand exactly how this system works, what problems it solves inside a restoration business, what each implementation level includes, and exactly what the investment looks like. So that if you choose to book a call, it's simply to ask final questions or move forward. No pressure, no mystery, no sales games. Imagine running your restoration business knowing that every phone call is answered, every online lead is contacted immediately, and every real opportunity is followed up automatically. No more wondering what happens after hours, no more missed calls while you're on a job, no more guessing whether a $10,000 water loss quietly went to a competitor. Most restoration companies don't lose work because they do bad work. They lose work because speed matters more than anything in an emergency. When a homeowner has water pouring into their basement or smoke damage spreading through their house, they don't wait. They call the first company that responds. And if your phone rings while you're driving, on a job, or after hours and no one answers, that job is already gone. What we do at Rize Market is remove that response gap entirely. Let's start with inbound calls. Picture this. You're on a job site, your phone is in your pocket, and a homeowner calls with an emergency water loss worth $8,000 to $15,000. The phone rings, it goes to voicemail, and they hang up and call the next company. You never even knew the opportunity existed. This happens during after hours, weekends, busy days, and peak storm events, and it quietly costs restoration owners tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars per year. Our inbound voice AI solves this by answering every call immediately, 24/7. It speaks naturally with the caller, identifies whether it's water, fire, or mold, gathers the right details, and either books the next step or captures everything your team needs to follow up without friction. No voicemail, no call queues, no rushed staff. The AI never gets tired, never misses a call, and never treats emergencies casually. The result is peace of mind. You know every emergency gets a real response. Your business stops leaking high-value jobs, and instead of wondering how many calls you missed, you know every opportunity had a fair chance to convert. Now let's talk about online leads and speed. Many restoration companies spend money on Google Ads, local service ads, or SEO. A homeowner fills out a form, but the follow-up call doesn't happen for 15, 30, or even 60 minutes. By then, they've already spoken to someone else. In restoration, whoever responds first usually wins, and slow follow-up quietly kills return on investment. Our outbound voice AI fixes this by calling new leads instantly the moment they come in. Not later, not when someone is available, but immediately while urgency is still high. If the lead doesn't answer, the system continues the conversation through text messages and automated follow-ups. The benefit is simple. You win more jobs without increasing ad spend by being first, consistent, and professional every single time. But not every homeowner wants to call right away. Many prefer to chat, especially late at night or while they're at work. This is where conversation AI becomes critical. When someone reaches out through your website chat, Google Business Profile chat, or messaging platforms, conversation AI responds instantly. It answers questions, qualifies the situation, gathers key details, and guides the homeowner toward booking the next step or requesting a callback. Instead of messages sitting unread for hours or going unanswered overnight, every digital conversation is handled in real time. The benefit is that you capture an entirely different segment of buyers, the ones who don't call first, while still responding with the same speed and professionalism. You stop losing jobs simply because the homeowner chose chat instead of a phone call. Beyond immediate response, the system continues working in the background. Most restoration businesses have hundreds or even thousands of old leads sitting in their database, people who called, requested quotes, or didn't move forward at the time. They weren't bad leads, it just wasn't the right moment. Without follow-up, those opportunities are forgotten. Our system automatically follows up with unbooked leads and reactivates older ones through respectful, helpful messages. It checks in, answers questions, and keeps your business top of mind without your team having to remember or manage anything manually. The result is a pipeline that works quietly in the background, more consistent revenue, a fuller calendar, and far less reliance on memory or manual follow-ups. At higher levels, the system also helps you win on trust and visibility. Homeowners trust reviews more than ads, yet many restoration companies struggle with inconsistent review volume, bad reviews hurting visibility, and weak Google Maps presence. Even great companies lose jobs simply because competitors look more established online. We install an automated review and reputation system that prompts happy customers to leave reviews through text, email, QR codes, or follow-up calls, while unhappy customers are routed privately so issues can be resolved before becoming public. The result is stronger trust, better local visibility, and a business that looks like the obvious choice when homeowners compare options. Because restoration companies operate at different levels, we package this system into 3 clear implementation tiers. Level 1 is focused on inbound protection and is designed to stop you from losing emergency calls immediately. It includes 24/7 inbound voice AI, after-hours, and overflow call handling, basic qualification for water, fire, and mold inquiries, appointment booking or message capture, and call recordings. The investment for this level is a $997 one-time setup fee, followed by $397 per month. Level 2 is where most restoration companies see the biggest impact. In addition to everything in Level 1, it adds instant outbound voice AI for new online leads, conversation AI for website and Google Chat, text follow-up when leads don't answer, calendar syncing with reminders and confirmations, automated follow-up for unbooked leads, and lead reactivation campaigns. This level is designed to help you win more jobs simply by responding faster and following up consistently. The investment for this level is a one-time setup fee of $1,997, followed by $697 per month. Level 3 is designed for restoration companies that want to dominate their local market. It includes everything in Level 2, plus an automated Google review system, bad review interception and reputation protection, Google Business Profile optimization, advanced call routing for emergencies versus inspections, priority support, and quarterly performance and optimization reviews. This level is for companies focused on long-term visibility, trust, and market leadership. The investment for this level is a one-time setup fee of $3,497, followed by $1,197 per month. As you look at these levels and the pricing, the real question isn't whether the system costs money. The real question is, what missed opportunities are costing your business right now? For most restoration companies, recovering even one additional job per month more than covers the investment. This system works best for companies that are already getting calls or online leads, handle high-value jobs, and want a reliable way to respond faster without hiring more staff. It's designed to run in the background without constant management so you and your team can focus on the work itself. If you're watching this and thinking, this makes sense, I understand what's included, and I'm comfortable with the investment, then the next step is to book a call. That call is not a discovery call or a demo. It's simply to answer any remaining questions you have, confirm which level is the best fit, and if you're ready, outline the next steps to move forward. If now isn't the right time, that's completely fine. Take your time and come back when you're ready. The goal is simple: a restoration business where every call is answered, every lead is contacted, and every real opportunity gets a fair chance to turn into revenue.